Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and welcome to part 2 of our Windows 10 Basics series, where we show you how to navigate your Windows 10 computer. In this video, we will show you how to navigate your File Explorer, pin folders to your Quick Access menu, and tips for customizing your desktop. If you are looking for other tips and tricks for Windows 10, check out the rest of this series on our YouTube page. In the File Explorer window, you can navigate to all of your files saved to your computer, and, depending on your business, you can also access your network folders, server files, or cloud sharing file folders. To start, we will review the tab for this PC. Hover over this PC and click on the arrow icon to expand this folder. You should see options like your desktop, documents, and pictures. These are the different locations on your computer where you can save files, photos, PDFs, Word documents, and more. Use the pre-made tabs to organize your files to the appropriate places. Under this PC, you will also see any USB drives you have plugged into your computer and your network drives. If your network drives are displaying a red X or are grayed out, check out our remote access video to fix this. By clicking on the network drive, you will be redirected to your company's network files where you and others who have permission to these folders can access the files at the same time through your company's network connection. These locations are primarily used for company files so that they are stored in a secure location. If your company uses cloud sharing applications like SharePoint or Dropbox, you should see tabs on the left-hand side of your File Explorer where you can access these files as well. Depending on the permission you have and what files you have chosen to sync to your computer, these files will also populate in your File Explorer. If you are navigating through your File Explorer and you are either getting connection issues or you are unable to find a folder or file that you need, first, confirm with your supervisor that you have access to those files. If so, feel free to reach out to our service desk and we will be happy to assist you. Many users also have a specific drive or folder that they access frequently, but did you know that you can set up shortcuts to these locations instead of browsing your File Explorer each time? Find the folder that you would like quick access to and right-click on it. Then, click the Pin to Quick Access button. This will provide a shortcut to this folder under the Quick Access tab in your File Explorer. You can use this Pin to Quick Access button with any folder you access with your File Explorer. This includes your network drives, SharePoint files, Dropbox, local files, and more. Not only can you pin these folders to your Quick Access menu, but for even easier ease of access, you can populate shortcuts of these folders to your desktop. Find a folder and right-click on it, then select the option to create a shortcut. This will automatically make a folder in your File Explorer. Find it at the bottom of the list and drag it onto your desktop, wherever is most convenient for you. You can further customize your desktop by adding apps as well. Open your Start menu and scroll till you have the application that you would like. Left-click, hold, and drag the application till you see an icon where your cursor is. It may take some time for the application to populate on your desktop, but eventually you will see your application on your desktop, and from here, you can drag it to wherever is most convenient for you. Stay tuned for part 3 of this series to learn more about how you can navigate your Windows 10 environment. If you have any questions or you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.